Hi, it's Jason and Jason's Jungle, and today I'm going to be revealing my PurpleMajesty. You can see here that my PurpleMajesty's died back. Now I had a float around this the other day and I came up with 11 ounces of spuds. So I'm going to empty it out and see what I get. So start scraping the surface off because all those spuds were right at the top. Now this is a purple fleshed spud and got a really almost black deep purple skin. That makes it harder to see when it's in the soil. Because this has been sat on my paddling pool, kids paddling pool, and it's had wicker material into the water in the paddling pool, so it's, it's lovely and moist. Plus it had rain recently, but there we go. First largest one, which I then throw into the bucket with everything else. Stand that over there. Let's tip it over. We don't want to see tipped over. There's another one. So this is the wicker material that's been down into the water, and I can see a few, but not that many. That's quite disappointing, that. This had 3 spuds in it. And it looks like, if I'm lucky, I've got a pound out of it, out of 3, including that 11 ounces that I had the other day. Now that's really disappointing. No, I don't seem to have anything out of it. Okay, I'll clean this out, get this out of here, make sure there's nothing left, and then I'll get the next bucket. Well, that was very disappointing. Look at that, 1 bucket. I mean, hardly worth weighing. I mean, with the 11 ounces the other day, I've got a pound out of that. Right then, so let's have a look at the second one. Again, it's dying off. Can't see any at the surface. There's a couple near the top. So I'll just tip it over and have a look. Bit better. Oh, a lot better. These are the same number of sea potatoes. 3 in this one. Now that is more like it. No idea where that spare white one came from, but it's a harvest. So let's see what that comes to. Got my little scales, turn it to the bag, and we will see how heavy this is. Okie dokie. So that is coming in at 2.84. Far better than the £1 from the other one. So that's a lot better from there. So I've still got 2 buckets to do, so I will go and bring the next one over. Okay, so the third bucket, again this had 3 seed potatoes in. Hey, look at that. That's nice. Let's hope that's not the only one. There's two and a few small ones. And it looks like there's only a few big ones in here. A couple of big ones. There's another one. One of the original seed potatoes. Tiny one. So I'll sort through this and show you what I get at the end. Well, still better than the first one, but not as good as the second one. Let's see how much this one weighs. This one weighs, let it settle, stop swinging, coming straight down, 1.78. Okay, and we've got one more bucket to do. This bucket's slightly different, got a rope on the handle. That means I only sowed one seed potato in here, and I'm not looking forward to a look at it. Maybe I shouldn't bother. Judging what the rest is looking like, this is probably going to be nout. Oh well, in 4 penny and 4 pound. And that's not looking good. So looks like out of 4, I've coming up with something like 5, 6 pound maximum. Because look at this, that's it so far. Anyway, I'll go through this and come back with a final grand total. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to put in all the others and we'll do a grand total for today. I've got to stand up for that. So if I include in from the other day, that would give me 5.8 pounds about. So that is 1.2 pound per bucket. That's quite depressing. It's not over just yet. That was pretty disappointing, so I decided to cheer myself up and go and dig up some of the Mad Idea potatoes that are grown in the bed. That's a 4 foot by 8 foot bed. I dug another strip today and now I'm about halfway through. So last time I had £7, before that £3 and then 2 £1, so that's £12 so far. And this is what I've took up today. So that's another strip that's about 1 foot wide by 4 foot long. And let's have a look and see what this weighs to. So stick my bag on and tar it, whatever it's called. Okay, so see, another 4.5 pound. That makes us happier. Well, I'll see you on the next video, and I mean it this time.